Nobody should touch this remote today. Oh. This movie is getting interesting.
Baby,
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side.
today na Champions League final na just small football.
Every single day football. Are you playing for Chelsea?
This one is not ordinary match. History is about to happen.
Oh my God! Wow!
If this woman does not find out who stole her baby in this movie today, I will not sleep.
And if Arsenal loses today, I will not eat for 2 days.
Over my dead body will this TV show football tonight.
You forgot who bought the TV.
I wonder.
So this is betrayal?
Operation Collect Remote has started.
You will touch this remote only in your dreams.
Today, somebody must surrender peacefully.
You think say I weak? I trained with my younger brothers growing up.
Then prepare for Premier League final boss level.
This remote belongs to the streets no more.
Give me that remote.
Now collect it if you are brave enough.
Baby, let us settle this like mature adults. I beg, second half don't start.
A few moments later.
NEPA don't take light.
After all this suffering,